For the repair of the Nemic Lambda power supplies, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the units. For testing, we connect the power supplies to a common 220 volt AC power supply, and we add 3 diodes, one to each unit, and in order to measure the load in each unit, we use a clamp meter, and in order to use the voltage output in each unit, we will use a multimeter. Wiring the power supply, the units react, and we can see that they all output a 36 voltage output. And then, in each diode, by using the clamp meter, we measure the various load that differs to each other, and then we use the clamp meter to measure the total load in all of the power supplies, which is at about 23 amps. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. It is now clear that the power supplies are operating successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.